as well. But Nimesh is joining in from the newsroom to tell us what is he picking up in industry chatter. Nimesh, tell us.
Hi, Nigel, not a bad outcome given the global volatility for Indian equities, at least for this week, right? The Nifty, the mid cap, small cap, all have seen a decent pullback from the extremely oversold and low levels. So a decent week, I would say. Today is a day of consolidation, maybe a bit of a Friday factor as well. The flow seems to be quite mixed from the larger FIs, and there is a very small MOC sell basket as well. So some stocks may get impacted in the last 30 minutes of trade. That's from a flow perspective. Having said that, as I said, decent recovery. The small cap index has rallied to almost 6%, and you've seen a bit of buying interest back and some bit of momentum back in the broader market stocks as well. So in that sense, the portfolio investors may be feeling a bit of relief, kind of pullback we've seen this week across the board. In terms of sectors, for today, a couple of sectors are under pressure. Largely is IT under pressure on the back of what happened in the Nasdaq overnight, and some bit of profit bookings in the real estate names as well. Real estate is generally a high beta, so it moves with directional trades. But clearly, these are the two sectors where some bit of they are under pressure. But largely, this was a week for a bit of relief rally in the broader market names. And a lot of individual stocks have also pulled back very sharply from the recent lows.
What are you gathering on the individual stocks then, Nimesh? Give us some tidbits.
Well, so in terms of individual stocks, the first stock on my list is Hitachi Energy. That stock also has done a decent pullback in the last couple of days. A couple of brokerage notes as well, which are quite positive. But now I understand the company is likely to raise funds by QIP very soon. So that's the trigger to watch out in Hitachi Energy. So that's the first name. Second stock is Interglobe Aviation. Again, it's a very positive crude play. So that stock also rallied pretty hard. And again, the flows have been quite mixed with the positive bias. But again, in Interglobe Aviation, the buzz is that expect a large block deal very soon. Remember, the Gunval's lock-in of 5 months has got over, so that block can come very soon. So that's the trigger there. The third name is Wipro. While the entire IT is under pressure today, but in the last couple of days, Wipro stands out in terms of aggressive buying from larger FIs. I understand a leading long only fund is an active buyer of late, and Wipro stands out in terms of within the IT pack, turning out to be a only stock where there is aggressive buying for the last couple of days. And the last is Nykaa. Well, there was an initiating report from UBS. They've upgraded the stock. The stock is under pressure, largely on the back of self-flow. So expect high delivery volumes, and there is selling from larger FIs in Nykaa today.
All right, Nimesh, thanks a lot for that, for getting us an insight into dealing room chatter when it comes to the market as well as individual stocks. But you're not the only one who did some chatter around. We also found out, both Nigel and I, sources tell us that you are taking that flight to Dubai to catch the India versus New Zealand in championships game.
No, Nigel, I think you guys are wrong in terms of. And I'm telling you, Mangalam, in terms of chatter, don't try to beat me, because this rumor of me going to Dubai is absolutely wrong.
No, thank you.
And in the past, managements have told us that.
We basically tried to bowl a little full toss and you just knocked it out of the park. But this frame looks a little incomplete, because both Nigel and I are in our India blues. We want you to, wear your India blues when we join in as well.
I am for the ERT. I'm doing that.
So that chatter is proven correct. That he will wear a jersey is correct. But that he will take the flight, we don't know.
All right, it's a no. Don't worry.
See you on Editors Roundtable and maybe on the table later after that as well. All right, thanks a lot for that, Nimesh. Well, let's get back to Mitesh.